Looks like I've almost lost the trail here, but I'll just try to keep marching up and around and see where I end up at my journey this morning. It's just amazing that if you don't really pay attention, you can lose your sense of direction. I mean, I can't blame, because the beauty around me is so beautiful that once I immerse myself into all that, I kind of lose track of where I am and enjoy it so much. But eventually I found my trail back, and the beautiful views just keep getting better and better. I don't see a lot of fresh footings in this snow, so it will be interesting to see if anybody was able to make this track today. But I'm definitely determined to keep marching and trying to get to my destination.